Up, you guys? We are into the third day of the second quarter. So I hope everybody is ready and pumped and you've been tracking things down. For me, I have a few accomplishments that I have yet to put in my happiness jar. And we were talking about it in my broadcast. If you follow me from Live Me, what's up? Shout out to the Humble Hustlers. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, what's up and welcome. I go by Faith and Hustle. I think everybody needs Faith and Hustle. But yeah, I wanted to just share this happiness jar, and in light of what's going on in the world right now, especially losing Nipsey, I think this is something that we can all do. It's not the same as a vision board. A vision board is something totally different. But I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about it, encourage everybody to make one, and show you what mine looks like. You can use any kind of jar you want. I started out with an old dirty pasta jar. Look at that. I was like, I'm not putting my food in this jar. But I didn't want to throw it away, and I held on to it for a long time. I've held on to them, and finally got inspired by Pinterest. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Pinterest as well to create a happiness jar. I've seen them be called gratitude jars, inspirational jars, but for me, this is my happiness jar. So what I ended up doing was taking the lid, spray painting it. On the top, I have a heart and it says, "So grateful." I took some rhinestones from the dollar store and I just designed them on the sides. And I really like the fact that half of it's frosted and the other side is clear, because these are all the things that I accomplished since January 1st. I mean, it could be a little bit more, I guess, but I did some stuff, and I still have a few more things to add to it, and it just does something to my soul, you guys. So you can use any kind of jar or container you want. What I ended up doing also was putting some stickers on there. It says inspire, encourage, mentor. They told me I couldn't, that's why I did. I got me a little cactus on there. Hold on. I got me a little cactus on there. Squeeze the day. Yeah, we're gonna make some lemonade. Make today great. Get it, girl. Be bold, brave, and brilliant. And then the bottom says, she needed a hero, so that's what she became. And I got all these stickers. These were like planner stickers, scrapbooking stickers from Hobby Lobby, craft stores, or whatever. And I just fell in love with it. It was super easy to make. And on the side, I made an envelope. The red tape don't match, but it don't matter because you just see it from the side. And I just get regular paper, and I cut it up into regular. They're not even the same size, and it doesn't matter either. I like the diversity of the shapes, I like the different shapes. It doesn't bother me. I'm not a perfectionist. And I'll just take my little Crayola scissors with the, what you call it? What is that called? They're special scissors that cut in shapes, whatever. They're cut in shapes, and I just cut along the line, and I decorate them along the side. I've actually got my kids to make a happiness jar. I got one for my oldest. I've also got one for the family. And every time like they do something good at school, like, you know, when, well, you don't know, but my oldest made science fair. We put it in the happiness jar, and it's a motivational tool. It keeps me inspired throughout the year to keep going, because some days I wake up feeling like, man, I didn't do anything. I look back on hardships and I focused more on the pain I was going through, that even the smallest accomplishments didn't matter to me. I wasn't paying attention to the little things that I did. And when I look at the little things that I did in this jar, knowing it started at nothing and just creating it, it makes me happy. So I'm going to continue feeling it. My kids actually look forward to it now. Like whenever they make an accomplishment, they're like, oh, I got to write it in the jar. And what we're going to do is at the end of the year, bust the jar open. Well, not really bust it open. But just open the jar and go over and look at our year at a glance. I would say put things that make you happy, something that made you laugh, something that you did that was even little or even big. If you saw someone special you haven't seen in a while, just things that make you happy. So for me, I accomplished a few things and I've written some things down, but this is like a daily visual way to motivate yourself. A vision board is things that you envision, but this happiness jar, achievement jar, is things that are in action, you know? And so once I finish, or once I accomplish something on my vision board, I do put it in the happiness jar. So, and this is the first year that I had a vision board that was actually not completely full, not completely covered. And I kind of like that. I kind of like that because I've been hanging around some influential people, and you never know what you could be inspired to do or create throughout the year. So I have room to grow. That's what it tells me. I got things to do and I got room to grow. But I think everybody should make a vision board and a happiness jar. I have my vision board somewhere I can see. My happiness jar usually sits right here. I keep it somewhere personal. And like I said, I just write that's not a cute one. I just write my accomplishments or my moments on here. So let me get that going real quick. Hold on. I went to Mexico for the first time. That was lit. I ended up getting my teeth repaired. Changed my life, you guys. I want to give a huge thank you to Cancun Cosmetic Dentistry. That really changed my life. I gotta write that one down too. I had a smile makeover. I do intend to make that video, but I've got so much editing to do. But it was amazing. Yes, I went to Cancun to get my teeth repaired. Blessed, you guys, so blessed. I'm gonna share that story. I cannot wait. So I went to Mexico. I sat with a live mariachi band. I gotta cut more things. And my friend Antonio. What else did I do? I was on the radio. Shout out to the Movers and the Shakers. You guys can catch my interview with them on their YouTube channel. They uploaded it as well. It was my first interview in a long time. They made me feel so welcome. I need to get a different pair. And fellas, if you want to make a happiness jar, you do not have to be extra. I'm just like that. I'm just girly like that. Shoot. There we go. Uploaded my second YouTube video. And each quarter, you guys, I would also suggest changing the colors out. So for the first quarter, I had blue and purple. Now I have green. I'll probably do green and yellow. April, May, June. Yeah. Bow. But anyway, I'm hoping that you guys are encouraged to go ahead and try to make your own happiness jar. Be creative with it. It doesn't have to be clear. It doesn't have to be glass. It can be plastic. You can use stickers. You can draw on it, whatever you want. But at the end of the day, the point is to be grateful. Pay more attention to the things that make you happy. And remember that even the littlest things that you accomplish, they add up. The little things matter too, you guys. Anyways, I know this video was short, but it's to the point. And if you decide to go ahead and make a happiness jar, a gratitude jar, an inspirational jar, and the things I accomplished on my vision board jar, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to me, you guys. I'm trying to make videos every Wednesday and be consistent, but I need to know you're watching. So go ahead and comment below. Give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscription bell. And until then, you guys, keep the faith and hustle. Bye.